I never believed that you can learn something without trying hard, that I was wrong. Hi everyone, my name is Long. I'm 18 years old and I'm studying English at Pasal. To be honest, English is my favorite subject at school. I can do all the grammars, yes, but it is impossible for me to communicate with the foreigners. Every time I see the foreigners, the only thing I can do is run far away from them. I pray to God, if I ask anything in this world, help me to solve this problem of mine. And luckily, my friends asked me whether I want to go to an English center to improve my English skills. And I said yes. That's how the story begins. Have you ever heard of a Polish English? I never believed that you can learn something without trying hard, that I was wrong. I have changed a lot since I started studying in Pasal. I realized that communicating in English is not as hard as I thought. Learn English in a relaxing way by listening to English articles about the interesting topics. The fun and the crazy mini stories have changed me to speak and to respond faster. No more textbooks, no more tests, no more exercises. I think my English is so much better now, and I feel more confident when I speak English. And I love everything about Pasal. The environment, the funny and gorgeous teachers and tutors, they help me to solve the problem that I couldn't. Of course, if I have a chance, I will introduce Pasal to everyone I know, because when I'm in Pasal, I feel like I'm home.